Whoa, can Luke do a somersault? Whee! Yay! Here we go. Woo! Yay, Luke! Good job! Woo! Yay! I see you.
See you.
See you. I see you. What color is that one? Red. And the other one's green?
Mine? Here.
Luke, did we go for a walk this morning? Yeah, did you see tree roots? Did you see the roots? Yeah, you saw roots outside. That's your chalk.
A color.
A color? What color is it? Is it purple? Purple.
Purple.
Mm-hmm.
Dada.
I don't know. I don't think so. I think it's just the wind. Purple. Purple chalk.
Purple.
That one's yellow chalk.
Yeah. Green.
Purple. But green's at least a color.
Green.
Yeah? Can you say focus?
Focus.
Yeah, gotta focus on things. Yeah, can you splash? Luke splashing? You splash? Come out of the street, Luke. Back at the house. Yeah? Whee! All wet? Yeah? 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 Is your hair wet? Your hair? Kayla. He's calling for Sally and Aaron's dog, Kayla. He's a sad camper when it's time to go in for bath time. Hey Luke, it's time for a bath, honey. It's time to go inside. It's time to go inside. I know. It's time to go inside. Come on. Come on, baby. Look at that face. Come on inside. It's time to go inside, honey. That's my boy. Come on inside, Luke. All right, Mommy's gonna come get you. Mommy's gonna come get you. It's time for a bath.